Paint.net is a free image manipulation program which provides many features compared to the normal Paint program that is shipped with the Windows operating system. This guide will teach you how to use Paint.net for basic use cases only. File menu. This is where you can create, save, print, and open an image file. Tools window. This is where you can find basic tools for images manipulation. We can see drawing tools, selection tools, move tools, view tools, and many more. Since there are many tools we can choose from, we will not cover all, but only the basic ones. Brush tools and pencil. All IMPs or image manipulation programs have brush tools that create lines and stripes following the mouse cursor. Selection tools. These tools select a chosen part of an image, hence, its name selection tools. Examples are the rectangular tool, lasso tool, and ellipse tool. Move tools. This may give the user the ability to move selected pixels or selected outline of a picture. Fill tools. Paint bucket and gradient tools are examples of fill tools, filling a selected region of an image.
Layers. Paint.net uses layers that stack transparent layers that form a composite image. Each layer contains different elements that may form an image. Selecting a layer makes it active. Drawing operations are going to be applied to the active layer only, not the inactive ones. Layers may also overlap another layer, where it can be arranged from top to bottom. The higher layer may overlap the lower layer, unless it has transparent parts of it. The user may arrange the layers how it desires it to be. Blend mode in layering shows how the layers are stacked or combined with other layers in the composite image. There are a variety to choose from different blend modes in the layer properties. There are also additional features of layering in the layer menu. History window. Every operation performed in Paint.net is listed on the history window, providing the user a list of actions done, which can be audited by the user that can be undone or redone.
Effects menu. Special effects can be found on the effects menu. Noise, blurs, distort are examples of such effect featured in the effect menu. Image menu. This menu provides actions that may alter all layers of an image, instead of only the active one in layer menu. Resizing the canvas can be found here, resizing the image and cropping. Exporting. The user may export his or her work in the Save As button, which can be found in the File menu. Paint.net asks the user to flatten its work for it to be readily used to the web. This will combine all layers into a single layer that can be exported as a PNG file, JPG, and others. Well, you've done it. You know now how to use Paint.net. You are now ready for the advanced use of it that may give you more flexibility of the program. head over to the official documentation of Paint.net website to look for more topics that haven't been covered. Good luck!